How you doing, guys? It's James from Advanced in Car. So the next video in our series for Ghost, the fantastic hidden immobiliser, we are in the Skoda, and this is an Octavia VRS 2016 model, and we're going to show you how the Ghost works. So this has all been fitted today by Richard, our engineer. So we're going to turn the ignition on. Now if the camera picks it up, so there you go, immobiliser active, which means that the car is not going anywhere. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to enter the preset or demo code that we've entered. So I'm going to click this button here, 1, 2, 3, 4. So on the dash, indicator lights flash twice, means that I can start the car. And if you did see that down on the odometer, a little bit further down on the dash, it would have said the word safe, which now shows the mileage on the screen. So that means that the car can be started and the engine's running no problem at all. So if we just turn that off. Now different models take extra time or different varying times to reset themselves. The Volkswagen Audi platform takes about 10-15 seconds for it to restart. So we'll just open and shut the door. Now let's say for instance that I've stolen the key, I've put the key in the ignition and I'm going to go and start it. Okay, I started the engine and you can see that the engine started and then immediately stalled. Immobiliser is active and the glow plug is flashing up on the dash, if the camera can pick that up. So again, I think, okay, well I'll start again. Okay, there's something strange there. Car won't start, so I'm not going anywhere. What we do need to do at this point is just to get the car to start up again. I've taken the key back out, I've put it back in, I'm going to enter the Ghost code and wait for the confirmation and start the car. Now at this point, this particular Skoda model can use a selection of various buttons depending on the model, depending on the age. Certain buttons will and won't work, but that's a comfort feature that you can decide as owner and driver of the car. And of course after this video this will be changed, etc. Let the customer decide what he wants. So when the immobiliser is armed, you've got up on the driver's information system here, immobiliser active, and above the word, above the odometer here where it says trip, that will say safe. And the car physically cannot be stolen unless it's going to be low loaded away, but even if you've got the keys. So again, this is the Ghost on the Skoda Octavia 2016. This is a beautiful VRS model, so it's, you know, just as stealable as any other car. It's quite nippy, so the customer wants to look after his investment. You've been watching Advanced in Car. Have a look at all of our other Ghost videos online. We'll be adding to those as often as we can. And the website is www.advanced-incar.co.uk. Thanks for watching.